Good morning, Pastor Antoinette.
Good morning, Likim.
It is really beautiful here.
Yes, it is.
And you can see that the fish are also very happy being blessed by the Dream Manjushri.
Yes, they are.
Do they have places like this in Luxembourg?
Yes, we have, but we don't have Dream Manjushri, unfortunately.
So you get to enjoy the beautiful Manjushri here in Kachara Forest Retreat.
Yes.
While we enjoy the tranquility here, there are people and there are places where it is less peaceful.
Yes.
And one of them, an example, would be Dorje Shugden practitioners. People say that Dorje Shugden practitioners are on China's payroll to create problems for Tibet. What are your views on this?
This is not correct. Dorje Shugden people want to practice Dorje Shugden, and they are not on Chinese payroll, and they do not want to create problems for Tibet for sure. So the practice of Dorje Shugden dates back to about 400 years. On the other hand, the issue with Tibet and China goes back only about to 60 years. So there is no correlation with the Dorje Shugden practice and the problems with China for Tibet. Then also, the Dorje Shugden practitioners live all over the world, and they for sure don't want problems for Tibet. There are many High Lamas who practice Dorje Shugden, such as His Holiness Kyabje Dzong Rinpoche, Kyabje Trijang Rinpoche, and today, do you want to say they are Chinese spies? I mean, it makes no sense at all. For me personally, I have supported the Tibetan cause back in my country for a number of years. And I have supported the Tibetan Children's Village. I was in the Friends of Tibet for several years. So, and after having received the Dorje Shugden practice some years ago, there's no reason for me to change this, to change my views on Tibet and to stop my support towards Tibet and the Tibetan people.
From what you have shared, it is your opinion that these claims are nonsense, they are inaccurate, they're incorrect, yes. Because people around the world, Tibetans around the world, do not want to have these constant problems that are caused simply because of allegations made against DS practitioners. So you do not think that it is logical for DS practitioners to be any Chinese spy?
And what I just want is I want to do my practice freely. I don't want to be called names on social media.
I believe Chinese dog is very commonly used. Even, obviously you're not Chinese.
Yes, obviously.
Yet they can still use that on you.
Yes, they do.
I guess that is how illogical their thinking process is. People who are making accusations against Dorje Shugden practitioners.
Yes.
Thank you, Pastor Antoinette, for your time.
Thank you, Likim.